Okay, so we'll start with Bitcoin. I do remember that there was a lot of talk about this being a head and shoulders pattern. So we got left shoulder there, got your head, and this was then your right shoulder. Okay. So what typically happens is that, I mean, certainly, certainly in crypto, I mean, the head and shoulders pattern is like the first pattern um, that you learn. It could be that as well. Doesn't really matter. Um, so then basically you get this drop down, and everyone thinks, oh, it's dropping this head and shoulders pattern. So let's short it, uh, and then go whoop, and everyone's liquidated. All right. Now the problem now is that not only have all of the shorts been liquidated, but now all of the longs have been liquidated. So just a complete shit show. Now, what do I think is going to happen? Well, there's potential that this can happen. There's potential that all the longs get liquidated now, and that we come down sort of 90,000, something like that, right? And then we go we yeah, that's if we do this, whoop, then it's night Vienna. Night Vienna, guys. It's game over. Thanks for playing. All right. There is potential here on the 4 hour that we could be putting in a higher low. So basically, if we stay above this blue line here, then that's a higher low. If we, I mean, it could be that we're putting in a higher low now. So I would be watching the charts at the moment, seeing what's happening. Yeah, I mean, really, you want to see this start turning up now, and just sort of do that. That's really what you want to see. All right. XRP. Let's have a look at that. I'll go on Coinbase. So XRP, like I said, this looks like a wave 4. If you haven't seen yesterday's video, then go and check it out, because I explain everything on there. I'm not going to do it twice. But essentially, I said that we were close to a bottom. I think it was about here when I started putting in a long position. Yesterday, I did actually increase that long position on this dip, and I added a little bit more this morning. I mean, my invalidation for this is down here. That would be my invalidation. This looks like a bull flag kind of thing. I mean, this does kind of look bull flaggy. So might be all right. It may well go. I don't know. Yeah. So only time will tell. If Bitcoin starts dumping, then I don't know. Probably probably not. But like I say, I take zero responsibility for your financial choices. Yeah, don't blame me. Don't call me. There is what's about? Oh yeah, Holochain. Let's have a look at that. Holochain's come down into the 786 zone. I'll be quite honest. These structures, right? This ABC, when it comes back up down and gets rejected like this, typically you kind of, yeah. I'll be honest. You kind of see like this. Like that's typical of these types of structures. So So I'd be mindful of that. I mean, like I say, right, I'm in Holochain. I'm in spot. I hold spot. I'm not leverage trading this shit. I don't know whether it's going to do this, whether it's going to go like a straight line up. Yeah, it's just pointless. Like if you want to put some money in, put some money in. It's cheap as chips. ETH. See again, ETH looks very much like Holochain. So, ETH could do something like this. It could do this, and then straight, and then back up again. Or it's just boom. So you're in one of those situations where literally you could get one or the other, and there's no bias to either of them. Anything could happen. The only chart that really gives me anything positive is actually XRP. Where's that? This is the only bullish looking chart. I know that's I didn't ever think I would say that. So I don't know, man. I don't know what's going on, but this looks bullish and everything else looks shit. So is the whole market going to go up and just start pumping, or is just XRP going to go up and nothing else, or is everything going to dump? I don't know, is my answer. I know that's not helpful, but I'm long because I think that XRP is going up, but I don't know about the rest of the market. Has there ever been a time where XRP has gone up and the rest of the market hasn't? I don't know. I don't think so. But yeah, those that's my 2 Satoshis for today. Yeah, let's have a look at Siacoin actually. Yeah, see, Siacoin may actually be leading the way here. So can you see how that's the same structure? So here's your ABC. That's your ABC. I'll show you against Holochain, for example. Oh no. Where's it gone? Right, so that's Siacoin. That's Holochain. Right? So we've got this ABC. I'll just hide all this. This is going to be important, guys. So you got this ABC on Siacoin. ABC. You got this like Davros box here. So this Davros box is there. And same as there. And then you get, oh, we're going to break out. Nope, dump, right? And then basically all of these guys get taken out. Right, so all that liquidity underneath that, all these stops, all of them, they're getting taken out. And then in that's your higher low, right? Now, with Siacoin, you can see that these guys didn't get taken out. So is Siacoin stronger? Is it the same structure? Made a new high, dumped. Made a new high, dumped, took these guys out, but that's your lower high. But look how Siacoin is pumping. It didn't take these guys out. Is Holochain going to do the same thing? I don't know. But it's just food for thought, guys. The charts are similar, they're not all the same. yeah, let's see what happens today. Cheers.